After you've finished the 22 rounds of the knit 2, purl 2 cuff, then the pattern tells you to switch to stockinette stitch, which means you knit all the way around. And you do that for 11 rounds. This part of the sock is our illumination band, calling for what is hidden to now be seen, to go through the forest gates with heart warm and eye so keen. You see me here counting. You want to have 11 rounds of knitting all stitches in each round below the cuff. So we started with 22 rounds for the cuff, 2 knit 2 purl. Then we did 11 rounds of our illumination band. And now we're going to work on the heel flap. The heel flap is worked over only 2 needles. 2 needles will sleep. The other 2 needles will be worked. We will do rows, not rounds. And we will do 22 rows to create a bridge between the seen and unseen realm, to go deeply further on our adventure. You're going to repeat row 1 and 2 to create this bridge. You see how it shows you? I like to do this on the beginner pattern because you see the little horizontal purl stitches creating a bridge along the side of the heel flap. Later, tomorrow, you'll know why that bridge is helpful. To create it, you're going to purl the 2nd and the 21st stitch. So you saw me knit, purl. Now I knit all the stitches of this needle. Then I'm going to put this needle to sleep and work on all 22 stitches together because I'm going to be doing rows. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, purl, 2nd to the last stitch, it's 21, and knit. Not purl, knit number 22. Now you turn, slip, and now purl all the stitches. It's going to come to you as knitted, but don't knit it, purl it. All the stitches when you're coming back from the wrong side need to be purled. So now you're going to slip and purl to the end, working across 22 stitches. Remember, purl. Then you're going to turn, slip the 1st stitch, purl the 2nd stitch, knit until you have 2 stitches left. Then you're going to purl 2nd to the last, knit the last, and repeat these 2 rows until you have finished 11 sets, 22 rows in total. Then it'll be time for the heel turn.